Welcome to our YouTube channel, dedicated to all things beauty, cosmetics, and personal care. We know that feeling and looking your best is important, and we're here to help you achieve that. From skincare tips to makeup tutorials, we've got you covered. We'll be sharing the latest trends and product reviews to help you make informed decisions when it comes to your beauty routine. From drugstore finds to high-end favorites, we'll show you how to get the most out of your beauty budget. We also understand that beauty comes in all shapes and sizes, and we're committed to promoting inclusivity and diversity. We'll be featuring content from a variety of creators, so you can find inspiration and tips no matter what your skin tone, hair type, or age. So whether you're a beauty beginner or a makeup pro, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. We'll be uploading new content regularly, including video series, product reviews, and tutorial videos to help you in your beauty journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Don't forget to comment down below and let us know what kind of content you'd like to see.